Welcome to our exploration of the best year-round weather cities in Massachusetts. From the historic streets of Boston to the coastal charm of New Bedford, we've curated a list of cities that offer pleasant climates throughout the year. Join us as we dive into each city's unique features, highlighting how they balance beautiful weather with vibrant communities and rich culture. Get ready to discover your next ideal destination in the Bay State. 1. Boston. The urban haven with mild extremes. Boston, the largest city in Massachusetts, is often celebrated for its dynamic culture and historical significance. However, another aspect that draws people to this bustling metropolis is its relatively mild weather throughout the year. Thanks to its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean, Boston experiences less extreme temperatures compared to other inland areas. Winters are not as biting, and summers are comfortably warm, with the average annual temperature hovering around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius. This moderation makes Boston a desirable place for those who appreciate a balanced climate. 2. Cambridge. Academic excellence meets pleasant weather. Neighboring Boston, Cambridge is known for its prestigious universities and vibrant community. But there's more to Cambridge than its academic allure. Its climate is equally inviting. Sharing a similar weather pattern with Boston, Cambridge benefits from the ocean's moderating influence. This leads to comfortable seasonal transitions that residents and visitors alike appreciate. Whether you're strolling through Harvard Square or enjoying a leisurely walk along the Charles River, Cambridge's weather creates a pleasant backdrop for all activities. 3. New Bedford. Coastal charm with milder seasons. Nestled on the southern coast of Massachusetts, New Bedford enjoys a climate that many would envy. The city's position by the ocean ensures that winters are more forgiving and summers are cooler compared to inland counterparts. With average annual temperatures around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, New Bedford offers a temperate environment that is perfect for those who prefer milder weather. Its maritime heritage and scenic waterfront add to the city's allure, making it a charming place to experience the beauty of Massachusetts' coastal climate. 4. Provincetown. Cape Cod's temperate treasure. At the very tip of Cape Cod lies Provincetown, a unique destination known for its artistic community and stunning landscapes. The climate in Provincetown is influenced heavily by the surrounding Atlantic waters, resulting in cool summers and relatively mild winters. This temperate climate makes Provincetown an attractive location for both residents and tourists seeking a break from extreme weather. Whether you're exploring the sand dunes or enjoying a local seafood dish, the weather in Provincetown is sure to enhance your experience. 5. Martha's Vineyard. Island living with oceanic comfort. Martha's Vineyard, an island off the southern coast of Massachusetts, offers a distinctive climate that is moderated by the Atlantic Ocean. Summers here are cooler, and winters are milder compared to the mainland, creating a comfortable environment year-round. This oceanic influence makes Martha's Vineyard a sought-after destination for those who appreciate a tranquil climate. Its picturesque landscapes and charming villages further enhance the appeal of this island paradise. 6. Northampton. Western Massachusetts climate gem. Located in western Massachusetts, Northampton is known for its vibrant arts scene and progressive community. The city experiences a humid continental climate characterized by cold winters and warm, humid summers. Despite the colder winters, precipitation is evenly distributed throughout the year, averaging 46.14 inches annually. This balance offers a unique weather experience that residents find appealing, particularly those who enjoy distinct seasonal changes without extreme fluctuations. 7. Arlington. Eastern Massachusetts temperate retreat. Arlington, situated in eastern Massachusetts, is a town that experiences relatively mild winters and summers. With average annual temperatures around 50 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 degrees Celsius, Arlington's climate is influenced by its proximity to the Atlantic Ocean. This geographical advantage ensures a temperate environment that appeals to individuals seeking a place with moderate weather conditions. Arlington's community-centric atmosphere and pleasant climate make it an inviting place to call home. 8. Canton. Eastern comfort with oceanic benefits. Canton, another town in eastern Massachusetts, enjoys a temperate climate that benefits from its closeness to the ocean. Winters here are cool, while summers are warm, creating an ideal balance for those who prefer moderate weather. Canton's weather, combined with its rich history and community spirit, makes it a compelling choice for those considering relocation. The town's pleasant climate complements its vibrant community life, making it a desirable place to settle. 9. Georgetown. Northeastern Massachusetts climate oasis. Georgetown, located in northeastern Massachusetts, offers a temperate climate with cool winters and warm summers. The influence of the Atlantic Ocean is evident in the town's weather patterns, providing a comfortable environment year-round. Residents of Georgetown enjoy the town's small-town charm and moderate weather, which allows for a variety of outdoor activities throughout the seasons. This appealing combination makes Georgetown a sought-after location for those who value a balanced climate. 10. Lincoln. Eastern Massachusetts temperate jewel. Situated in eastern Massachusetts, Lincoln boasts a climate that is both temperate and inviting. The proximity to the Atlantic Ocean ensures that winters remain cool and summers warm, creating a harmonious weather pattern. Lincoln's scenic landscapes and welcoming community are beautifully complemented by its pleasant climate, making it an attractive place for those seeking a serene environment. The town's balanced weather enhances its allure as a peaceful haven in Massachusetts.